Good morning or afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you're at. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair of Southport, North Carolina. We are actually getting ready to cool seal a metal roof on a mobile home. Now this roof has a metal roof. I'm not talking about your normal mobile home. This thing has a metal roof that apparently had shingles at one time. They put a metal roof on the top. We're going to cool seal that metal roof. He just feels like that brown roof, he'd like to see white. So we're going to turn his brown metal roof into a white metal roof today. If that's something you're interested in watching, stick around. Hope you enjoy. The first thing we have to do here is clean these gutters, and I have Paul doing that now while I'm on my way down to the hardware store. First thin coat. I'm going back over it with a second coat now. You can still tell though that it's the dark brown is hard to cover with white, obviously. It's covered, it's just dark brown. Just started the second coat back there, only got to there so far. Little at a time, just keep on going.
Yep.
Little at a time. Don't normally do this type of roof, that's for sure.
Oh man.
Never painted a brown metal roof before, and it doesn't cover that easy.
No, we don't.
Mm-mm.